Alright, we're doing a cabin filter in a 2021 Honda Civic. It's really simple. It's located behind the glove box. So we're gonna actually remove this glove box door. What we gotta do is take it, open it, and then push these stoppers in like this. You can lower the glove box. And you can lower it so much that you can actually take it off just to get it out of your way. The cabin filter's in this box right here. We're gonna take this door off here by pushing this tab in and pull towards us. Okay, there's two of these, one on each side. Okay, so unbox the door. It's pretty simple after that. Just pull the filter right out. This one's pretty dirty. If you need a filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box for a new filter. Now when you get your new filter, it's going to have an airflow direction here. Airflow is always going to be down, okay? Go ahead and just slide that guy right in there. And then get the door. You can see on the door it says airflow down. Just snap it back on here, just like that. And then the glove box. This is what the hinges look like. All we do is just place them back up on here. Line it up, push it, and then close the door, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me and leave me a comment if you could. And if you want to see more Honda videos, hit subscribe.